riflettore. Avanti così.
Alright, one more coming up.
Got it. Slide it.
Bring it straight in, right next to the last row.
Copy. Easing it down. Set.
Perfect. Let's keep them
Next
tight.
one's ready.
The tomatoes reach the blade. A single cut. Skin bursts, and the fruit yields. Flesh and seed give way to...
.5, temperature steady at 72. Adjusting feed just a notch. Logging readings, good.
As the raw pulp reaches the evaporation line, stainless chambers draw off moisture in stages. Each pass thickens the fruit, intensifying its color and flavor. Heated coils and...
Level. Just enough basil. Oregano next, light, floral, sea salt for brightness, let them meet, and a whisper of black pepper to finish.
Each jar begins its journey under a precision wash, buffeted by spinning jets of filtered water. A curtain of saturated steam follows, stripping away the final traces of contamination. In seconds.
The lid is lowered, the chamber seals, and a vacuum draws every trace of air out of the jar. Under pressure, the metal lid is pressed and crimped, forming a bond tighter than the sauce itself.
Every jar moves through the line at a steady pace, guided beneath the coating head. Precision lasers align the lid. In a fraction of a second, microjets of ink lay down the date and batch number.
Seal looks good. Fill line right at mark. No bubbles.
Data's in range on this batch.
Labels aligned. Code is clear. Approved. Next jar coming through.
In this cavernous warehouse, every box has a destination. Pallets of tomato basil sauce, wrapped and labeled, wait in precise rows for their next journey. Forklifts weave through the lanes.
Looks good. Welcome to that, Giuseppe. Line it with the first row. Okay, right down the center. Upper touch and set. Perfect. That's tight. Coming out. Next pallet ready. Back it off the third. Got it? Pallet clear. Door coming out. Focus. Front up there.
Missouri. Heat rolls off the vat in heavy clouds, carrying the scent of roasted tomatoes and charred pepper. Each bubble breaks the surface with a soft hiss. Condensation beads on the steel and slides back into the...
And precision on a schedule. Every movement, from the sweep of a robotic arm to the glide of an autonomous cart, is timed to the second. Here, efficiency is choreographed.
I'm on line C now. Throughput steady at 96%. Any flags on your side?
Nothing critical. Temperature on the new press rose 2 degrees, but still in range.
Copy. Logging that. I'll swing by after the changeover to verify
In the ingredient vault, thousands of gallons of concentrated tomato are held in chilled stainless steel tanks. Each vessel is monitored by a network of sensors keeping the product.
Each batch is sampled directly from production and brought into the lab for analysis. Precise volumes are measured, labeled, and sealed. Samples are balanced in the centrifuge to separate particles.
Between every production batch, the equipment is returned to a state of sterile readiness. High-pressure sanitizer covers every surface. Control panels, valves, and...
Inside this facility, byproducts from manufacturing are given a second life. Conveyors move mixed materials toward automated sorting, where arcs and airflow separate plastics from metals with...
That press was acting up again this morning.
You don't say. We had to baby it on second shift last night.
Did it finally get the new belt?
Mm-hmm.
Still squeals like a goose, though.
I swear that thing's got personality.
Sweet today.
In a place where precision and power meet, safety is engineered into every detail. Emergency stops are placed where a hand can reach in a heartbeat. Guardrails define the edge between...
Fresh green coming in from the co-op first thing this morning. We log every pallet, check seals, get them straight into temp control, truck after truck. This is how the line keeps moving.
Each delivery is checked the moment it arrives. Color, size, aroma, and texture. Digital records are locked in before the batch is moved a single step further. Nothing proceeds without passing our standard.
Robots just finished this section. Floor's clear.
Perfect. We're right on schedule.
More than every gram, every millimeter, every drop, verified. The scale resolves to 100th of a milligram, registering the instant the solvent touches the powder. The micrometer confirms the gauge block.
At peak capacity, every arm, every conveyor, every guided vehicle is synchronized to the minute. Efficiency here isn't a target, it's the standard. This is
Team 2, confirm line 3 restart for 8:15. We're running 3 minutes ahead. Copy. Line 3 will be ready at 8:15. Good. Ship Roger and Kendra to packaging when they're clear. We'll hold B-cell for maintenance. Understood. Routing now. Thanks.
Each package enters the final checkpoint, scanned, measured, and verified to the micron. Seals are checked by hand, labels
authenticated and surfaces inspected for the slightest flaws.
Every product carries a story. As it's built, lasers read its code. Data is verified, logged, and synchronized in real time. From cylinder to circuit board to vial, each item is tracked with...
Destination Rotterdam, weight 14.7 noted.
Copy that. Labels printing now.
I'll seal it and update the manifest.
Manifest refreshed. You're good to go.
Order 6487 just cleared inventory. I'm pushing it to fulfillment.
Got it. Route shows a 2-hour delivery window. I'll notify the driver.
Packing slips on the printer. Once it scans, it'll hit your dashboard, Mia.
Copy. Customers confirm signature required.
Beneath the machinery, an entire ecosystem works to keep conditions exact. Air is filtered, chilled, and reheated in precise cycles. Humidity holds at 42%.
Every morning starts the same way. Numbers first. I check overnight performance, drill into each line, and track where time was won or lost. From here, I can see the floor, the people, the rhythm, the data.
Viscosity's holding right around 63 degrees. You can see how it ribbons off the spoon now.
Good. Agitators at 1200 RPM. I'll keep the heat steady.
Perfect. I'll log this batch and run the color readout.
Sample taste balanced. Sweet.
Bright chili up front, a little citrus, and the garlic comes through on the finish. Viscosity is right where we want it. Coats, but doesn't drip. We'll mark this as batch 3.
Bounce a bit higher, yeah, right there. That gives the label a nice edge.
Got it. Shooting. Looks clean. Color's perfect.
Just try a tighter crop. And shot.
About the plant, precision cameras sweep silently, their lenses relaying every movement to the control room. Operators monitor activity in real time, combining visual and thermal feeds to track production.
What you're seeing here is the same pick operation you'll run on line 3. Notice the path of the gripper? Smooth curve, no sharp corners. That prevents torque buildup.
Does it automatically verify the part
In Abillary's YSO, every document tells a story of precision. From ISO and GMP credentials to environmental compliance, each certificate is audited, signed, and traceable.
In this control hub, schedules meet reality. Every order, every pallet, every truck is tracked here, minute by minute. Analysts match production lines with shipping windows, resolve delays before they rip.
Good evening, this Gearbox 3 show is due in 2 hours. I'm sliding it forward to 14:30 so the line can clear.
Copy that. Compressor 2 scans green, pressure 190 stable.
Good. Filter change on pump 4 stays for tomorrow?
Yep, parts are stable.
Line B, handshake verified. Signal strength steady at 99%.
Copy that. Routing diagnostics to production leads now.
Synchronization complete. All departments are green across the board.
As daylight fades, the next phase begins. Floodlights stretch across the expansion zone, outlining the steel skeleton of a new production hall that will double output within a year. Crews pour.
Every movement here is measured in thousandths of a second. The master clock signals the start. Microprocessors align. Actuators lean in. Sensors confirm.
Now just past the glass, you can see our automated welding cells. Each of those arms can complete a frame in under a minute. And every weld is measured in real time by lasers you can see.
Each award tells a story of tolerances held, of ideas turned into machining reality, of a culture that puts safety and precision on the same pedestal. From fire-kissed chilies to garden herbs, from smoky molasses to bright citrus, every flavor we craft is here. A full spectrum of sauces, bottled with care, proof of what our kitchen and our line can...
In stores, cafes, and lobbies, feedback begins with simple taps or presses. Each response is captured instantly, lighting up terminals and recording sentiment in real time.
Pallet 2 is clear. Loading to bay 4. Bound for Hamburg.
Copy. Barcode reads confirmed.
Forks coming in.
Manifest sent. Seal number logged. You're good to roll.
Truck is on the move.
Every detail in this facility is designed to leave the lightest possible footprint. Renewable power collected on the roof feeds the production floor below. Reclaimed water, closed-loop systems.
In this lab, sauce isn't just cooked, it's engineered. Robotic arms measure texture molecule by molecule. Transparent reactors track flavor physics in real time. Every jar rolling off the line.
From raw material to finished innovation, every movement here is orchestrated with purpose. Robotics, people, and data work in concert.
From the first ripe tomato to the last turn of the lid, every step has led here. Simmered slow, sealed with care, crafted for the moment you open it. This is